Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix this error. So you can see to be detected an unusual login attempt. We noticed a login attempt to your account that seemed suspicious. We will send you a security code to verify your identity. How do you want to receive your code? So after you will see two options. So first it's your phone number and second it's email that you also add to your profile, Instagram profile, and also sometimes you can see here only one option, so you can't choose another option, so you will see only phone or only email. So sometimes you add only phone or only email to your account, and that's why you see only one recover method. So uh, just choose the phone or email. It depends on what for you it's easier, and just you after you will receive security code on your phone number or on your email. So after you just need to write this code you will receive and just submit you're recovering your account. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.